Some mornings, the forecast lines up and you stop making plans. You just go. The Pursuit S288 Sport is that kind of boat. Built in Fort Pierce, Florida. Pursuit has been putting center consoles on the water here for decades. 30 feet of hull, room for a full crew and a full day on the water, twin outboards on the transom, plenty of power to clear the inlet and put open water under the hull before the afternoon chop builds. 24 degrees of deadrise, a hull that handles conditions most center consoles won't touch. Foredeck cushions out when you drop anchor, swim step right at the transom. Cockpit has room to work, room to fish, room to clean up at the end of a good morning. 8 holders rigged and loaded before you leave the dock. Recirculating livewell keeps your catch healthy all morning. Insulated fish boxes for everything you bring back. Full beam hardtop and spreader lights for the late runs home. This is not a boat you schedule a day off to use. It's a 30-foot center console that goes when you say go. Head below when you need a break. Crew forward when the fishing slows. Fish boxes loaded by early afternoon. Back at the dock before the weather even thinks about building. Full specs and availability at yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.